Now you see this icon. Look at this icon. This is a shortcut for shutdown. Whenever you want to shut down your PC, you have to come to the start button, click on power before you can shut down your PC. Those who prefer the keyboard, whenever you want to shut down your PC, you have to press Alt and F4 before you can shut down your PC. This is a long process for a person like me. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can create a shutdown shortcut so that whenever you press your mouse button, just a click, your PC will shut down. Follow my page. Right click on your mouse. Come to New and create a shortcut. Type shutdown space -S space -T space 0. Click on next. Finish. This icon will be created here. Right click on it. Come to properties. Change icon. Use this symbol. This is the symbol for power. Then press OK. Then you apply. Here you have created a shutdown shortcut. Whenever you double click on this icon, your PC will shut down. You don't have to go through a long process of shutting down your PC. So for your own safety, move this to one corner of your mount on your screen so that you may not shut down your PC accidentally. Whenever you double click this, your PC will shut down. But for me, I prefer bringing it onto my taskbar so that I will not shut down my PC accidentally. I have it here and I have it here. You can delete the shortcut or leave it like that. Whenever I click on this, my PC goes off. If you have found this video useful, like my video, subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you.